Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Happy Independence Day, Malaysia. Unity by my dear self, Nabila Ashikin Muhammad Salim. I wonder why everyone wants to create an issue. What is so special when people argue? Every day, people wheel in blue, without board. They love making so. Make unity undervalue. Don't be a troubleshooter. If I may, I want everyone to get closer. We are non-philosopher. If I may, I want all of us become super achiever. Unity is a challenge. We must face it. Unity is a gift. We must accept it. We are in different mood and always furious. But please, do not take it very serious. Unity is fabulous. If I may, I want to make everyone fantabulous. To build the unity is like climbing the wall, even very tough, but you will satisfy in the end. To get the mutual agreement is like dancing on the floor. You must know the steps to master it. To have the harmony is like swimming in the sea. You must take a deep breath to sustain it. If I may become a speaker, I want to tell everyone, to gain the unity, we must have determination, we must have motivation, we must have no limitation, we must build up our reputation. Do not drag our emotion, do not stop until we achieve our ambition. If I may stand on the stage, I want to share positive message. Show encourage, spread your knowledge to avoid community damage. You can be a good package. Make yourself salvage. Unity. If I may stop one soul from quarreling, we shall not live in vain. If I may is one life the aching, we shall not to be in pain. If I may give joy to others, I will always create cheers. It helps us to be better when we become community lover. That's all from me. Thank you.